You ever hear a Boston girl have an orgasm? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Had it. Had it. Oh, God, that was so good. Now I'm going to stuff my fucking face with Pepperidge Farm.
And who are you, my little friend? Not a spoon, not a fork, but something in between. A fapoon. What will you think of next, Germany?